In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Adobe Sign. Whether you're new to Adobe Sign or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process in a way that's simple and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open a web browser. You can use any popular browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whichever you feel most comfortable with or have handy. Once you've got the browser open, the next step is to log into your Adobe Sign account. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and get access to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move to the part where the magic happens. You'll need to locate and click on the Fill and Sign option. This can be found either in the All Tools tab, or sometimes you might find it in the Recent list of tools, which is often visible depending on how frequently you use Adobe Sign. Clicking on this option will take you to the workspace where you can edit and prepare your document. Once you're in the Fill and Sign area, look for the Sign icon. It's usually easy to spot. When you click on it, you'll see an option to Add Signature. Go ahead and select that option, as adding your signature is our main goal. Upon selecting Add Signature, Adobe Sign provides you with 3 ways to input your signature. You can either type it out, draw it manually, or upload an image of your signature. If you choose to type your signature, Adobe Sign allows you to select from a variety of stylized fonts to give it a handwritten feel. If you're keen on drawing, grab your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to sketch your signature, which can sometimes feel more personal. Alternatively, if you already have a digitized version of your signature, uploading an image is a breeze, allowing you to maintain consistency with signature aesthetics. After you've chosen your preferred method for creating your signature, simply click Apply. Once your signature is applied, you'll have the ability to click and drag it across the document. This gives you the freedom to position it precisely where you need it within the document. Make sure to place it in the appropriate spot, usually indicated by a signature field or wherever a signature is required. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added your signature to your document using Adobe Sign. This feature not only helps streamline your document signing process, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your digital paperwork. So go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy signing!